Okay, good morning all. Now I will present my article with the title Assessment of Mathematics Learning During the COVID-19 Pandemic. Assessment of mathematics learning is a systematic and planned process designed to determine the level of achievement of mathematics learning objective. Teachers must conduct a comprehensive assessment. Teachers are expected to be able to assess and assess students' ability correctly because the analysis of student learning outcomes may or may not be correct, confirming the correctness of instrument processing. Teachers must be able to design correct and clear tools to measure the objective and performance of learning programs. The coronavirus pandemic or COVID-19 has had many impacts on all aspects of Indonesian people's lives. The massive spread of the virus forced the government to issue social and physical distancing policies to prevent the massive spread of the virus. The study used a qualitative approach based on a systematic review. This method is carried out by collecting scientific writing from various databases related to distance learning topics during the COVID-19 pandemic, assessment of mathematics learning in school during a pandemic, problem faced by teachers when assessing in mathematics learning in school during a pandemic, as well as how alternative assessment can be used in school mathematics learning during the COVID-19 pandemic. Research use keywords including assessment, assessment in learning activities, assessment of mathematics learning during the COVID-19 pandemic. The implementation of education during the spread of the coronavirus in Indonesia, in addition to having an impact shifting the traditional learning process in the classroom to distance learning or home learning, also require teachers to use alternative assessment or assessment model as a substitute for alternative assessment. Various assessment models that can be used for distance learning and are suitable for recommended include the first, online-based tests. Online tests are tests that are carried out using internet network information technology. As long as they can access the internet, the exam can be done anywhere. The second, the use of assessment with a portfolio. The portfolio model is an alternative in the current distance learning process. A portfolio assessment is a continuous assessment based on a collection of information that show the development of studies ability over a certain period of time. In this case, portfolio evaluation basically evaluates students' individual work in certain subjects over a certain period of time. The third, self-assessment. Self-assessment is an assessment technique that requires students to conduct their own assessment of their abilities, process, and level of learning achievement certain subject based on standard or reference materials that have been prepared. Through self-assessment, students will receive training to monitor and evaluate their own thoughts and behavior, as well as to know their weakness and strength in order to achieve the expected learning outcomes. Based on the discussion described above, it can be concluded that the current school mathematics learning assessment process cannot be carried out optimally. This is because the learning process during the pandemic is very different from the previous learning process. During the pandemic, there are many obstacles in the process of assessing mathematics learning. The process of assessing school mathematics learning during the pandemic is carried out in various ways. Some express using online-based tests, portfolio, and self-assessment. Okay, this is all for me. Thank you very much, and God bless.